muna. Hi. Say hi. What is your name?
I am Mamus.
Very good. How old are you? What is that?
3.
Very good. Show me count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Okay, we'll go to the animal. What's the lion said? What's that? Monkey. Lion. I said lion. What's the lion? Very good. Okay, monkey. Monkey. Very good. How about the bird said? Very good. How about the chicken said? Chicken. Tilao. How about fish? Very good. How about snake? How about duck? Hi, Rai.
Hi.
How are you? What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? What is that? Very good. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? What you're playing? What is that? Tom and Jerry? What is this? Color? Show me your colors. Show me your colors. Show me all your colors. Give it to me one by one. What's that color? Show me all the color. Tell me what's that color. What's that color? Show me. What is this?
Hello.
What the other one?
Violet.
Violet. Very good.
Violet.
Very good.
Black.
Black. Very good.
Red.
Red.
Black.